grab a glass jar with a lid and you're going to fill it with water. You can fill it with water and or salt. And you're actually placing the intention into the water. And what you're going to say, this is what I say. You can say whatever you want to say. It's like, I am cleaning and blessing this water. I'm clearing, actually, clearing and blessing this water. I say it 3 times. I'm clearing and blessing this water. And then every atom, every molecule, every crystal of this water is being charged to its highest and fullest pure divine holy love.
Mm.
I ask to infuse this water with optimism, encouragement, and enthusiasm. And I am imbuing this water with love, light, and happiness. I am imbuing this water with love, light, and happiness. And I'm imbuing this water with love, light, and happiness. 3 is a sacred number, so I love saying it 3 times. And then just place it in the area that you feel there's stagnant energy, that you feel that needs to be cleaned and cleared. And when you're going to notice that the energy has shifted. And when you do, you can remove that, send the water back to the earth, and then do it again in the next space. Or you can have as many glass jars as you want. And that's really it. You just place it in the space that needs more love, light, and happiness and joy and see what happens. And then just keep doing it.